Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to delete all purchase history on your iPhone. To delete all of your purchase history you have done on your iPhone, first of all, open your App Store on your device. Once you are on your App Store, on the top right, you will see your profile icon. Hit on that. Then you will see this space. From here, select purchase history. Now here are all of your purchases you have done before. Simply swipe to the left and then there you will see delete icon. Hit on the delete icon and you are good to go. So in this way you can delete all purchase history on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.